Are you cancerous?
You don't even know me like that.
Ayan, so what is up you guys, it's your good Maya. We're back again with another YouTube video, and for today's video, as you guys can see from the title down below, we are gonna be coloring my cousin's hair. So ang mga products na gagamitin namin for today's video is itong hair color from Sunbright Series in the shade Dust. So buksan natin para makita nyo yung laman niya. So this is how it looks like. Ayan, this is in the shade Dust, and ganito siya, 100 ml. And then, sa packaging pa lang niya is andito na yung mga things that you need to know about the product, including the ingredients and yung mga procedure and how to use the product. And since hindi naman pwede na hair color lang yung gagamitin natin, we're gonna be mixing it with an oxidizer because it's a 1:1 proportion. So this one is the Bremod Collage Hydrox 9% 100 ml. So ganito yung packaging niya. And pinili namin yung 9% because masyadong happy yung 12% and yung 6% is hindi naman masyadong nakikita yung result. So gagamit kami ng 30% volume, which is yung 9%. By the way, before I forgot, nabili ko pala tong hair color for 60 pesos or 65, and ito naman is 35 pesos. So ayan, imimix lang namin itong dalawa and then we can start with the coloring session. So ayan, nagprepare na din kami ng disposable ng Tupperware para pagmixa namin yung color and yung bleach, and meron na din kami ditong mga disposable gloves para safe. So ganito kadami yung naging result ng hair color, and then imimix na namin yung oxidizer, which is ito. So for a closer look, ito na yung oxidizer and ito yung hair color, and then we're gonna mix it and mixture niya, and then itong gloves lang yung gagamitin ko sa pag-apply kasi mas sanay kami sa gloves kaysa sa brush. So guys, ito yung book ng cousin ko. Ayan, virgin pa yan, never been touched, never been colored, never been rebonded. So ito yung kukulayan natin, and hindi na tayo magbe-bleach. So let's see kung ano magiging result. Hi guys, ayun, tapos na namin i-color yung hair niya, and then i-wrap lang namin ng cellophane para mag-sit yung color, and then maghintay kami ng 30 minutes or 20 minutes para i-rinse siya, and then we will be right back. Are you cancerous? So ayun, naghihintay pa kami ng mga ilang minutes pa kasi ayan, kakaano lang namin ng hair niya. Ayan. So, anong nafe-feel mo ngayon?
Sakit.
So ayun, first time niya kasi magpapakulay ng hair. So medyo nasa stress na siya. Anyways, I will be having a giveaway. So ayan, abang-abang na sa channel ko. So ito na yung hair niya after 30 minutes. Ayan. Rinse na niya and then she'll be back.